Hello mates, how's it going? This is very late upload and I apologize for that. I was trying to upload the video on time, but some unfortunate events took place and I got distracted. uh, Sometimes life doesn't play according to your rules and you can't do jack about it. So you can say this is my excuse for not uploading the video on time, but I will try to upload the video on time. Okay, let's dive into today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to learn about module, comment and pip. So let's open the pycharm. This is a fresh installation, so you're going to see this sample script. We're gonna remove it and we are going to write very simple application. Every beginner's very first and simple syntax, which is hello world. I'm gonna write print hello world. Print is a function. We'll get to know more about it later. Now let's run our program. Click here to run. You can see here our program executes successfully. This is very simple application. It displays information whatever you write. Now that you have done your very first Python code, it's time to discuss about module. What is module and why do we need it? Modules refer to a file containing Python statements and definitions. We use modules to break down large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Furthermore, modules provide reusability of code. We can define our most used functions in module and import it instead of copying their definitions into different programs. There are two types of modules: inbuilt modules and external modules. Some of the modules comes pre-installed in Python. They know as inbuilt modules. Of course, as the name implies, inbuilt, you get the idea. How can you use it? You can use inbuilt modules by using import syntax. So if I write here import OS, it will import OS module, and then if I run this file, it won't give me any error. Why? Because OS module is already there. When I type import, that time it is going to search for the stated module in the directory. If it's there, then your program will run without any error. Now let's talk about external modules. Try to import module name Flask. See here, it gave me an error saying module not found. So now to use this module I need to install it externally. You may ask how we can install external module, and here pip comes to rescue us. Now you may asking what is pip. Pip is package manager that helps you to search your module and get it installed for you. Pip comes pre-installed in Python. You can ask, hey pip, find a module name blah blah blah, and pip will find it for you. Here at the bottom you can see few tabs. Click on terminal and type pip install Flask. It is going to find the module over the internet and will install it for you. Okay, Flask is installed. So this is the way you can install external modules. I hope this will clear the concept of inbuilt and external modules, how to use inbuilt and how to install external modules, and also you get the idea about pip. You can check all the inbuilt modules on Python documentation page. Just search on Google. Now let's run our file again. This time you won't get an error because our Flask is installed. Now let's talk about comment. What is comment? This is very interesting. It's like you want to write something in your program but don't want to execute it. Let's say I make a program and I want to add my name, date and license to someone so that people can know this program belongs to this or that person. So if I write here author name Hacknomas and license belongs to Hacknomas, and when I try to run it, it gives syntax error. It will not understand what is written here. It gives me an error. Why? Because Python interpreter will try to read this line as a code. To avoid this issue, we use comments. There are two ways to use comments. Single line comment can write by using hash. Multi-line comment can write by using triple quotes. We're gonna check both first. Let's see single line comment. I'm gonna put hash at the beginning of the line which I don't want to execute, so here I'm going to put hash. Now you can see our application runs without any error. This is how you can use single line comment. Now let's see how to use multi-line comment. To use multi-line comment, we use free quote at the beginning and at the end of a line. Between these quotes, you can write anything, any message that you want to show but doesn't want to execute. So I hope this gonna clear your doubts about module, comments and PIP. So if you have any questions or any doubts, you can comment below. If you new to my channel, then please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till the time, take care. Ciao.